Step 5 in the selling process is the appraisal. Now, that's going to be a third-party licensed appraiser hired by the buyer's lender, and they're going to be coming in. It'll take about 30 to 60 minutes for them to come into the property. They're going to take pictures of the interior and exterior of your home, as well as measure everything. And the point of that is to be able to measure it against comparable closed sales and determine a market value. That market value is going to be able to tell the bank, yes, the property is worth at least as much as what the contract price is or more. If that appraisal should come in below our contract price, then that may be a point of renegotiation later on, along with the request for repairs. We'll cross that bridge when we come to it. That appraisal usually comes back within 7 to 10 days after it's been ordered, and so we'll get that information from the lender or the buyer's agent, and we'll pass it along to you as soon as we have that.